I've completed over 650 Lyft rides as a driver in 2 different marketplaces. Well, in this video, I'm going over 7 things that I've learned as a driver. Number 1, the Lyft busy zones would have been surge zones. Well, in the past as a Lyft driver, Lyft would give you as a driver a bonus, typically a % multiplier, in what was called a surge zone. These surge zones were based on areas of high demand of passenger demand and lower driver supply, incentivizing you as a driver to go to these zones. The problem that I've been seeing with the most current version of the driver app is Lyft will show you a busy zone, but there's no pay incentives to go along with that zone. In my opinion, in the past, these would have been pay zones with surge % multipliers, while now it's just basically telling you, hey, this is a busy zone, but we're not going to pay you anything extra. Number 2, you will average, give or take, $1 per mile. That's not especially high, considering the standard business mile deduction here in 2019 is 58 cents. Driving Lyft in the past, especially with those prime time zones, incentive zones that we talked about, you could earn $2 or $3 in gross revenue per mile. Number 3, when Lyft does offer bonus zones, they will be exceptionally rare. Lyft now offers what's called bonus zones or incentive zones, where if you drive in the purple or pink shaded areas, you will receive a ride bonus on your next ride. Once in the zone and online, that incentive amount slowly increases. Now you must accept your very next ride to get that ride bonus. The problem that I've seen is that these bonus zones are very rare, and especially for very busy large events, they're still not showing up, in my opinion, the way that they should. Number 4, hey, when it comes to money, if you're given a ride challenge, go for it. A ride challenge shown here challenges you as a driver to complete a certain amount of rides, and once you do hit that threshold, you'll receive a bonus. It stands to reason if you're going to be driving anyway, and if you're going to be driving close to that number of rides, make sure you hit that challenge and bonus. Number 5, something that hasn't changed throughout the years is if you're driving the late night hours, you will have to handle drunk and or possibly sick passengers. Make sure to keep sick bags in the car. Check links down below in the description and pick some up. Number 6, up to 30% of your passengers can leave a tip after their ride if you give the right service. Check out the video linked above to learn how to make more tips. And number 7, this platform is always changing and will continue to always change. Make sure to have a future plan ready. So let me know down below in the comments what you've learned as either an Uber or a Lyft driver. I'm curious to know. Leave a like if you've enjoyed this video. Consider subscribing to join the Your Driver Mike team, and I'll see you in the next one.